class. So assalamualaikum and good day. Okay. Right. So now we are into week 8. Okay. So which is the last week before you have a midterm break. So and for this week we will learn about triple integral. Okay. We have done for double integral. Okay. So in double integral you learn about how to calculate rectangular region and also non-rectangular region, and also you learn how to change the limit ataupun means that you do it the reversing order, right? And also you already learn about how to calculate or how to change from Cartesian into polar coordinate, and also the last one is how to calculate area. Okay, so now for triple integral. Okay, so I will start with the rectangular first. Okay, so means that, okay, for triple also they have the same thing. We have oval rectangular and also non-rectangular. So rectangular means your shape or your region that lies under the graph is in the rectangle shape. But since this is triple, so means that it will be in terms of 3D shape. Okay, 3D. Sebab dia triple kan, so dia ada 3D lah, 3 axis. So for non-rectangular, the shape will be others than rectangle. Means maybe it's circle, cylinder, cone and so on. Okay, selain rectangular lah. Okay, so now for rectangle, for rectangular limit, so A, B, C, D, E, F, and you have a function f, x, y, z here. So you will integrate with respect to dx, dy and dz. Okay, so since they have 3 variables, so it means that you have 3 triple times for integrate. And the limit here is a numbers, R numbers, okay, numbers, all R numbers because it's rectangular. Okay, for non-rectangular, okay, so A, B, C, D, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, all numbers, okay. But for non-rectangular, your A, B, C, D here, your limit here, okay, the rest will be the same lah, okay. Okay, but your A, B, C, D, E, and F, okay, one of it, okay, one of the limit or two from the limit will be a variable. It remain as a x, y, or z. Okay, it depends on your integral. So means that A, B, C, D is a mix between numbers and variable. Okay, but you need to remember that the last limit cannot be a variable. The last limit here must be numbers, because if you have variable for the last one, your answer will be in terms of variable. But actually we want in terms of numbers, right? So make sure when you answer, or maybe when you transform ataupun tulis dia punya limit, to make sure yang for the last one is a numbers. Okay, numbers. Alright, so I just go to the rectangular first. Okay, how to calculate? Okay, it's just simple lah, simple calculation like what we have done in double. It just calculate integral, but now it will be triple. Okay, 3 times lah you will integrate. So let's say equation or example 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, your function here is 2xy, and then you need to integrate dz, dy, dx. Okay, so means that the inside one here is z, right? So means that the inside or the first limit here is belong to z. Okay, and then this next one dy, so means that the second limit here is belong to y, and the last one is x, so means that the outer one, the last one, or the first one lah actually is a x. Okay, so you do it one by one. Okay, we do it for dz first. Okay, we do it the inside one first. Okay, okay, this is the steps lah. Okay, the sequence, we follow the sequence. So we will integrate with respect to z, so means that they have no z here, so means that you just add z here. Okay, so 0, 1, so you have 2xy. Okay, next, by using this answer, you will integrate again with respect to dy now. Okay, Okay, right. So it will be 2xy square over 2. And then substitute 0, 1 into y. Okay, substitute y. Okay, this one cancel. So you have x. You have x. And the last one, the last integrate to using this one, this answer, integrate rest to x. So we have x squared over 2, 1, 0, 1. So that means the final answer is 1 over 2. Okay? Alright? So just calculate, you just follow the sequence, follow the order first. Okay? It's nothing lah for this one. Okay, but it's okay. I will give you another one example. Okay, example 2. Okay, this one is in term of sentence. Okay, you need to abstract from the sentence lah. Okay, class. So this is the example 2. This is the question. Okay, evaluate, and it gives you the equation that just a general equation here, whereas G is the rectangular box given by blah blah blah. Okay, so clearly this is your function. Okay, this is your function. And dv here, actually dv here, you can use any, you can do it your own sequence. Means that it doesn't state that you need to start with the x first and then followed by dy dz. It's not necessary. It depends on you. But make sure your limit will be equal lah. For example, what I say here, this is your function, right? Sorry, x plus 2y. Okay, maybe Ali, he want to start with dx, dy, dz. And maybe Alia want to start with dy, dx, dz. And maybe Joe want to start with dz, dx, dy. And maybe siapa lagi? Alif want to start with dx, dz, dy. It doesn't matter. Maksudnya it's not compulsory for you to start with dx, dy, dz. It's not compulsory. It's up to you, because it's stated here dv. Dv here means you can start by your own sequence lah. Okay, tak terikat pun dengan follow, but make sure the limit will be equal. Equal here means, for example here, if dx, so means that the first limit must be x. Here second one is y, so make sure the second limit is y, and the last one z. Make sure the last one here, the limit is z. Okay, same goes for the others lah. If you start with dy, so make sure the first one is limit for y. Okay, alright. Okay, so yeah, let's say I choose the first one lah. Okay, the first one, how to answer this one lah. Yeah, the rest mungkin you can try. Okay, you can try, and then you can check the answer with mine. Okay, with this video. Alright, so the x. So this is your limit. This is your limit. So you just substitute all this into your equation. So x will be start from 1 until 2, y 0, 3, and the z is 0, 1. Done. So you just calculate lah. Okay, I calculate here. Okay, I calculate here. So I start with x equation, x order. So the x. So I will get x squared over 2 plus 2xy, and then substitute 1, 2 into x. We have 1 over 2 plus 2y. Okay, substitute 2 first. So we have 2, 4 over 2, 2 for y. Okay, minus, okay, 1 over 2 plus 2y. Okay, so open the bracket, you will have 3 over 2 plus 2y. Okay, next, by using this answer, integrate again with respect to y now. So 0, 3, 3 over 2 plus 2y dy. So your answer will be 3 over 2y plus 2y squared over 2. So cancel. So you have 0, 3 here. So 9 over 2 plus 9. So it will be 27 over 2. And the last one, okay, the last one here is 0, 1. Using this answer, with respect to z. Okay, so you have 27 over 2z, substitute 0, 1, so the answer will be 27 over 2. Okay, so the rest yang buat, I mean for those yang do it for dy, dx, dz, dz, dz and so on, check whether your answer is correct or not, your answer is same or equal with me or not. Okay, because this is the final answer that you should get. Okay, class? Alright, so this is the, what you call the calculate or the evaluation of triple integral for rectangular. It's just straightforward lah. Okay, it's just straightforward and nothing complicated because all are numbers. Okay, so in the next video I will explain or I will show you the example how to answer for non-rectangular for triple. Okay, alright. Okay.